Thinking of taking an Oceania cruise? Here are 12 pros and cons to consider that can make a difference for you. Oceania Cruises operates a fleet of luxurious ships of small to medium guest capacity, ranging from 670 to 1,250 passengers, depending on the ship class. So if you don't like big crowds, it's definitely a pro. Oceania is targeting a mature population in their 50s-70s. In 2026, it transitioned to an adults-only policy with a minimum guest age of 18, and at least one person in a stateroom must be 21. So if you don't want to see any children around, it's definitely a pro. Oceania is welcoming and accommodating solo travelers and LGBTQ+ travelers, for whom there are multiple hosted and non-hosted get-togethers and gatherings. However, it seems as the cruise is the most popular for couples. The Oceania Cruise Line is offering award-winning itineraries, sailing to more than 600 destinations around the globe. In general, it leans towards longer and more expensive itineraries that tend to attract an older, retired demographic, rather than young working people. Oceania Cruises offer the finest cuisine at sea and the highest quality dining. They spend significantly more on food per person than many other luxury cruise lines. Terrace Cafe is a dream come true buffet-style dining, even for the most indulgent foodies. The Grand Dining Room offers an exquisitely crafted dining experience and an outstanding brunch. Waves Grill offers a casual dining experience with fresh squeezed juices and smoothies made to order. Baristas offer a variety of premium specialty coffees and teas. There are 4 specialty dining restaurants: Toscana, Polo Grill, Jack's, and Red Ginger, offering their gourmet-level dishes and diverse dining options. Afternoon tea offers a decadent and elevated sweet pastime, accompanied by a string quartet. All of these are unlimited and free of charge. And with an impressive chef-to-guest ratio of 1 chef for every 10 guests, Oceania truly delivers one of the finest dining experiences at sea. So if enjoying food is a big part of your travel experience, taking Oceania Cruise is a big pro. Personally, my con is that all dinners starts at 6:30 p.m. So if you are accustomed to eating early, eating that late may be a challenge. Generally, there is 1 show a day, with a variety of entertainers providing a good show, but don't expect an elaborate production as some other cruise lines do. The main focus here is on refined, culinary and destination-intense experiences rather than high-energy entertainment. My personal con is that the show starts at 9:15 p.m. and if you are an early riser, it could be too late to attend. However, during the day, multiple musicians and bands are performing live music around the ship. And if you love dancing, a large dance floor at the Horizons welcomes everyone, including high-class dancing couples. Oceania has a variety of complimentary sport and wellness extras, such as yoga, morning stretch, Pilates, indoor cycling, free and unlimited use of the spa facilities, no need to buy a day pass, many complimentary mini treatments, and professional consultations, which is a huge pro in my book. Oceania has an amazing enrichment program designed to keep you mentally active and engaged. Here are a couple of unique activities. Art classes teach you how to paint using different techniques. All supplies are provided, you can take your art home and classes are free. Oceania is famous for its culinary program run by the most accomplished master chefs who teach you step by step and reveal their unique cooking skills and techniques. You cook it and then you eat it, so if you love to learn new skills, it's a big pro. If you appreciate a personalized and seamless service, Oceania is famous for it. They have one of the highest staff-to-guest ratio, making it 2 crew members for every 3 guests, striving to meet and exceed the expectations of every passenger. While on the ship, Oceania provides some guidelines for a dress code that is casual and relaxed, yet elegant and polished. No need to pack anything fancy or formal, as there are no formal nights. So if you love to dress up fancy, it may be a con and may not meet your expectations. But if you like to take it easy and maintain a resort-style, refined look, it may be a pro. Even though Oceania cruises are not cheap, which is a con, in reality you will get many complimentary things included, such as basic unlimited internet, taxes, port charges, and onboard gratuity, to name a few. Currently, they are also offering either a beverage package or a generous shore excursion credit, which is a big pro. And the last pro will make your life much easier and packing much lighter. A complimentary self-service guest laundry room with washers, dryers, and an iron board, so you can do your own laundry and enjoy wearing fresh clothes during the whole trip. Here you have it, 12 pros and cons to consider before taking an Oceania cruise. I hope you found my video useful. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and travel and explore together in my next video.